Now that's a great insight into how life will be like here in Serenia City, an upcoming sustainable township in Malaysia. A peaceful township filled with endless possibilities. There's just so much to love about Serenia City. And hello everyone, I'm Julie Woon. Today we're going to be bringing you through and introducing you to our latest offering, a private haven set in the heart of nature, Serenia Aqila. The founding of Serenia City is inspired by its tea plantation roots. It's something you could see in our design and landscaping. Serenia City's name encompasses serenity and sunlight, while also representing peace. Set in a prime location in southern Klang Valley, the vibrant township spans 2,370 acres of land and boasts extensive connectivity to major highways, airports and railway stations. The Puchong South Toll is only a 20 kilometers drive away, while KLIA and Putrajaya can be reached in 15 kilometers over the easy connectivity to Elite Highway and Putrajaya KLIA bypass. Across Serenia City stand multiple signature landmarks that are both purposeful and creative in design. Some of these landmarks are not only sustainable in nature, but are the perfect spot for leisure and simple joys. Set at Central Park is the artistic Ayora bird sculpture, a majestic view that carries the vision of Serenia City to be a township where life flourishes and dreams take flight. In fact, the inspiration behind the names of our various faces, such as Serenia Ayora, Serenia Anira, and our latest launch, Serenia Aqila, are all drawn from the IUCN Endangered Fauna list. Serenia City also boasts a 50 kilometers dedicated jogging and cycling track that is enhanced with CPTED passive security, short for crime prevention through environmental design. Through this concept, well-kept hedges act as a natural buffer between main roads and pedestrian walkways. Speed bumps and crossings are leveled to slow down vehicles and make it more convenient for bicycles and wheelchairs. The tracks are also well lit at night, making Serenia City a safe place to walk on foot. With an abundance of lifestyle amenities nearby, you will find great convenience living in Serenia City. From established shopping outlets to healthcare facilities and educational institutions. To name a few, Bukit Unggul Golf Club, the Pulse Shopping Centre, IOI City Mall, and Putrajaya Hospital are within a 30 minutes driving distance. If you're loving Serenity Park, I'm happy to share that the upcoming residence we're featuring, Serenia Aqila, is located near the park itself. And the residents will be able to enjoy a breathtaking view of Serenity Park from a higher ground. Another purposeful design in this self-sustaining township is the Heritage Pavilion. Constructed with used roof tiles of the estate manager's bungalow, this pavilion serves to cultivate the importance of recycling and reusing towards a greener future. Serenia City also embodies the rich history of the land. Here at Serenity Park, 3 well-preserved 120-year-old trees stand tall as living testament to the values and heritage of Serenia City. A newly added landmark is the Aman North Park and South Park, where you can find a futsal court, creative playgrounds and ample outdoor space set amidst lush greenery. The perfect spot to have fun and enjoy quality time with your family. There is also a mini rainwater harvesting amphitheatre, just like the one we saw earlier. What's more, it's just a stone's throw away from the upcoming residence, Serenia Aqila. Let us come to the highlight of the day, Serenia City's first freehold double-story semi-detached home, Serenia Aqila. Through this development, we want to introduce a new concept of comfort and tranquility into the heart of your home. Its units are meticulously designed with a harmonious balance of nature and living, where you can find lush greenery with wide open spaces, indoor green pocket and skylight. If you're looking for a perfect enclave for you and your family, then Serenia Aqila is the place for you. Surrounded by nature, it is the ideal home for families to nurture and grow. Comprising 72 exclusive double-story semi-detached houses, Serenia Aqila is the largest home to date at Serenia City. Each unit boasts a lot size of 40 by 80 and spans 3,030 square feet. The residence is enhanced with a multi-generational concept of 5+1 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. Abundant space for families to live together and yet enjoy privacy in their personal oasis. Serenia Aqila's name is inspired by an exotic species of endangered birds known as Aquila nipalensis, in other words, the steppe eagle. Bringing splendor with its majestic wings, it became the perfect symbol for Serenia City's premier semi-detached homes. If you look closely, you can find a deeper representation within Serenia Aqila's logo, a tree and a leaf concealed within the steppe eagle, a homage to the tea plantation roots and the historical 120-year-old trees of Serenia City. With Serenia Aqila, we aim to redefine lavish living. It features wide open spaces that are perfectly balanced with nature and living, an environment where indoor spaces weave with outdoor spaces effortlessly, offering families a comfortable ambience to relax and bond. Living in Serenia Aqila means coming home to an environment elegantly crafted for space and practicality. One notable feat is the generous car porch layout that offers 3 parking spaces for vehicles of every generation, big or small. The spacious dining area can easily accommodate larger groups of people, making it ideal for family bondings and even special occasions. The dining area is also decorated with a beautiful backdrop of the verdant private garden. Next, draw closer to nature and inspire relaxation with a majestic garden suite, a cozy space to rest. Being set next to a personalized home herb garden is the perfect zen spot for your hobbies. The ground floor bathroom in Serenia Aqila is also designed with accessibility features, a touch of thoughtfulness for the convenience of elderlies, making Serenia Aqila a house suitable for all ages and also for the less abled. Serenia Aqila is designed to bring you closer to nature. Its internal garden brings in fresher air and tranquility, while large windows fill the house with natural sunlight. Whether you're preparing meals for the family or showering peacefully in the semi-outdoor bathroom after a long day, there is always an evergreen view to enjoy. Now let's see what other amazing feats await us upstairs. Here on the upper floor lies a generous open landing that can be freely transformed based on individual needs and personalities. It can be a family lounge, a mini library, or a quiet study area, or even a second bedroom to accommodate more loved ones. The possibilities here are truly limitless. Completing the brilliant space is an expansive master bedroom with seamless access to the balcony. Fit your fashion collection with ease with a dedicated walk-in wardrobe, or take delightful showers using the freestanding bathtub in the Exquisite master bathroom. The fine allocation of space really adds an exceptional touch of comfort and nature. All units at Serenia Aqila come with the exclusive Fittings Plus. It makes moving in easy and convenient. Moving into an endemic phase we understand that personal health and safety is important to you, which is why we have adopted a passive hygiene concept using several thoughtful amenities. A wash area at the foyer for easy sanitization, a parcel drop box to minimize contact, a built-in water filter for better hydration, and improved indoor ventilation for cleaner air. The surrounding evergreen landscape is not only an extension of your dream home, but also carefully designed for small yet exciting adventures. Families and neighbors can bask in nature's relaxation in any one of Serenia Aqila's facility plans: Energetic Park, Leisure Park, Meadow Park, and Delight Park. Now you've seen it, everyone. Serenia Aqila, a sanctuary made to coexist with nature, the ultimate home for multi-generational families. As one of the top property developers in Malaysia, Sime Darby Property has always been creating and building sustainable communities. And Serenia City is no exception. So folks, if you want to find out more about Serenia Aqila, do log on to www.simedarbyproperty.com to register your interest or drop by for a visit at our sales gallery. I hope to see you soon. I'm Julie Woon signing off and wishing all of you a great day ahead.